Morning students, today we are going to see about forces and pressure, unit 2. Okay, this lesson also very interesting, and we can easily realize in our day to day life forces and pressure. How can we realize easily? How can we observe that every day you can observe bodies around when you are coming to school or going to anywhere? You can notice that some of them are moving, some of them are at rest. So what pushes or pulls them? What brings the moving bodies to rest? What is the effect of these pulls or pushes? So all these above questions can be answered by saying just one word. What is that? It's a force, isn't it? So some of actions in day to day life we can observe, no? The opening up a pen, we can put in force, no? And opening a door and kicking a football, it's very interesting, no? And striking a carom coin, making of chapatis. So these are all need what action? These actions need what? A force, isn't it? So how can we define the force? The force is defined as a push or a pull acting on a body. Okay, that means it's move or brings the moving bodies to take rest, and it even changes the shape and size of certain bodies also. And one more examples I will give you. What is that? Have you seen a group of students playing with a straight line, that is one and then another opposite end, tug of war with a rope, isn't it? The group of students or group of friends who pull the rope with a greater force will definitely what? Win. So the winners are applying a greater amount of force, no? They are only the winners. So hence the rope moves in the direction of what force? The greater force only, no? So finally the winners are enjoyed. It's a very jolly game, no? Okay. Now we see the definition of force. What is mean by force? The force is defined as a push or a pull acting on a body which tends to change its states of rest or motion or its shape. So it can be moving body, no? So the changes sometimes even changes the shape and size of certain bodies also. And then the unit of force is what? Newton. It's denoted capital N. Okay, the symbol of denoted is capital N, but we should write in all the small letters Newton. Okay, it is measured with a unit called what? Newton. The force is a vector quantity which has magnitude and directions also, and that is measured with a unit called Newton. And the direction of a force is in the direction in which a push or pull is applied. Okay.